Hi friends, welcome to class again. Today I'm going to teach you what I have done already negative sentences. Okay, what I have done already. Already we learned that how to say positive sentences of this topic, right? Today I'm going to teach you how to say negative sentences of what I have done already. Okay, right. Let us see the structure of the sentence. Structure of the sentence is having like this as positive sentence only, but having a little bit of change here. That is, instead of have, we are using haven't. Instead of has, we are using hasn't. That's a change between positive and negative sentences. Okay, right. Let us see the structure once. Time word, subject, haven't or hasn't, V3 form, object. Okay. Now, what are the time words? Time words are having already, just before, so far, till now. These are the time words as it is positive sentences. Okay. Then subjects are I, you, we, they. Which subjects you are using have in positive sentences? For those subjects, you are using haven't here to say negative sentences. So, I haven't, you haven't, we haven't, they haven't. You should not pronounce here as haven't, have not. You should pronounce here as haven't only. Okay. Then after haven't, you should use V3 form. Then add object to it. Then your sentence will be complete. And for these subjects, he, she, it, you should use hasn't. Okay. So he hasn't, she hasn't, it hasn't. You have to pronounce. Here also same. You should not pronounce it as has not. You should pronounce it as hasn't only. You should use short forms. Okay. Have not is a full form. Haven't is a short form. Has not is a full form. Hasn't is a short form. So you should use only short forms to say sentences. Okay. So let us see what are the structure, means what are the sentences we arrange as examples. Okay. Till now, I haven't completed homework. Okay, so till now is a time word here. I is a subject here. Haven't we are using after the subject and before the verb form. Okay, then what is the verb form here? Completed. Complete, completed, completed. Okay, it is V3 form only. You have to clarify like this. You have to check yourself like this. Are you using V3 form or not? You have to just remember that whenever you use have, has, haven't, hasn't, you should use their V3 form only. You should not use V1 or V2. Okay, so completed is V3 form. Then homework is I arranged as object. So how can we pronounce this? Till now I haven't completed homework. Okay, the next sentence is with hasn't I wrote here. Haven't example I wrote here. One example with these subjects. So I took here I subject. Second one is I am saying an example of hasn't. So I took here she subject to say. So far she hasn't finished her work. Okay. So far is a time word. She is a subject. Then we should use here hasn't. Then we should use here V3 form. Then object is her work. So far she hasn't finished her work. So like this, you have to prepare positive sentences with all the subjects, then change them into negative by using haven't or hasn't. Okay. So you have to do practice like the way. Whenever you do practice, whenever you are having positive sentences and negative sentences, first arrange positive sentences, then change all those sentences into negative. Then pronounce all sentences together. Then you are getting an idea about the difference of the sentences. Have you understood? Okay, I hope you understood. I'll meet you in our next class. Till then, you have to do practice and do hard work to learn.